Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. As you can tell by the title, we are getting ready for summertime over here. One of my favorite seasons, minus the heat. Very, very grateful for the AC. I would have to say I'm one of those people that actually really like all the seasons, but since I live in Southern California, we only get to experience summer year round. Like fall time, you really don't see the leaves. When I was growing up in York, Pennsylvania, you really could experience every single season. But since I can't do that, since I live in Southern California, I get to experience every single season with FabFitFun. This video is partnered with FabFitFun. If you guys remember in a video that I did all the way back in November, it was my first time trying their seasonal subscription box, and I love the experience. I really do believe in their brand, their whole company as a whole. It is a subscription box that you sign up for. I do have a discount code for you guys. It gets you $10 off your first box. I'll list it down below for you guys. So the whole box with my discount code will be $39.99, and in the box, which you get seasonal, so 4 times a year, you get spring, summer, fall, and a winter box. And in the box, you take a little survey to see what you kind of like for that season, and you get full-size products that you get to try out. One of the reasons I love FabFitFun is it's seasonal, so it's not a little bit, it's not too much products every single month, but it's not too little. You actually get really, really good products. Like I remember in the last seasonal box that came out, I got this paper source planner and I was wild for it, you guys, because if you know paper source, it is expensive. And I have been using that planner nonstop. So I feel like these boxes are really curated towards you and what really fits you and your needs. A lot of the products that you guys will get in the box are full-size fashion, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products. And a lot of the products in the box, like I said earlier, for a discount code, you're gonna get it for $39.99, which is so amazing because a lot of the products in the box are worth way more than the actual price that you're paying for the box. And one of my absolute favorite things about working with FabFitFun is that they work with charities and female-founded companies. This month, they're working with the Special Olympics, which has a special place in my heart because in high school, my high school did host a Special Olympics weekend, which was super cool. So without further ado, let's get into the box and share some of these items with you guys. A lot of these items are really going to help me get through the quarantine stage that we are all going through right now. And it's also really going to make my summer a little bit better. One of the reasons I really like FabFitFun because mostly all the things really make sense with my life. Like it fits into my lifestyle. It's things that I will use every single day. It's not products that I'm just gonna be like trying for 1 second and be over it. I really do find usage with everything in the box. This is a Business and Pleasure is the brand cooler. I'm really excited to try this. It's like a little cooler bag that you kind of take on picnics or to the beach or an outing with your family. It's adorable. I love the color. I mean, yellow and white stripes in the summer just screams summertime. So you open up the top like this, and inside it's so spacious. You can fit like a bunch of cans in here, whatever it may be that you're drinking in the summertime. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite summer drink is. I recently have been really into these like lychee drinks. They are absolutely delicious. Speaking of that, I did put them in the freezer, so I need to remember to take them out. But this is perfect for your family to travel, a little picnic at the beach. Obviously, when things get a little bit better, we can be more out and about. But I just love it. It's not too big and it's not tiny where you can't fit anything. I love that you can fit a lot of stuff in here. I can see myself using this a lot. Also, we have 4 dogs, so when we go to the park or we take them outings, we would love to put their cold water in here and also snacks and treats. So I'm very excited for this. This is, first of all, this brand, I cannot quite remember where I've seen this brand before, but I know it's like a huge deal. So when I saw this, I was very excited. It is this ceramic decorative vase, and I absolutely love this vase because I love flowers, fresh flowers in the spring and summertime. So important. I love having fresh flowers around the house. I mean, I could take care of them a little bit better, but I love having flowers around the house, and I thought this vase was so cute, and I love the fact that it totally matches my outfit today. But I think it's so beautiful just to have flowers. I love that it's not too big, it's not too little. It's so beautiful to put in the bedroom, or probably in my studio would be best because this color goes a little bit more with my studio. But yeah, I just love having fresh flowers in the summertime. They smell good, they make you feel good, they look good. It makes me really, really happy. So I think this was very, very necessary, and I'm very, very grateful and happy that I got it in my box this season. I thought this was absolutely crazy because I know this is really expensive. I've seen a lot of people talk about this online, and if you guys know me, I'm very into skincare, and as of lately, I've been even more into skincare. And this is the, I think it's pronounced Murad Essential C Cleanser. And I've been wanting to try this because if you guys watch I Love Sarai, I call her Karen, but Karen uses this a lot on her Instagram and in her YouTube videos. So I have been dying to try this, and it's really cool that it came in the box so I don't have to pay for the full price at a, you know, a beauty store. I'm very, very excited. I heard the brand is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. You guys should comment down below and let me know if you've tried this. It smells just like oranges. Oh my gosh, that is so soothing. I am totally going to put this in my restroom, make sure that I try it tonight. I'm very, very excited. If you guys have tried this, please leave a comment down below. Oh my gosh. Oh, speaking of, don't look at my nails, please. But it says, formulated with vitamins A, C, and E, this energizing cleansing gel helps remove pollution and other impurities without over drying skin. Sounds like everything that I need. The next thing is this silk satin pillow sleeve. Carlos and I, when we moved into this place, actually got some silk pillow covers because I actually heard that silk pillow covers is really good for your hair and your skin. So we have a set, we have a lot of pillows on our bed, but 2 of the pillows are cotton and 2 of the pillows are silk. So when I saw this, I was so excited because this is kind of like a smaller version. Our pillows are king size, and sometimes I just find it that it's like too big. I really do like smaller pillows, and I'm very excited for this one. It is satin, and it says, the satin pillow sleeve is designed to help you retain moisture in your skin and hair so you wake up looking and feeling refreshed. Our innovative open-ended design fits over most standard queen and king pillows and pillowcases, perfect for home or travel. I love that idea. You can bring it to travel. But you guys look, I mean, just by looking at it, you can just feel how refreshing it would be. I absolutely love it. I'm very, very excited. This is the other side, but this is the satin side. It feels so cold and good on the skin. When I saw this, I was very excited because I totally thought of Carlos. Carlos will definitely use this more than I will, but the reason I'm excited is because he's got some dry feet, and this would probably really help. This is a foot cream from Turocco, I believe. This is the brand right here. Again, full-size product. There was another foot cream that we bought last year, and that one didn't work too well. So I'm really excited to use this on him. A little foot massage goes a very, very long way. I wonder what this smells like also. I know it says foot cream, but I'm gonna try it on my hand. Ooh, also a really nice soothing orange smells. Very minty. Ooh, I like that. That's gonna be really nice. I'm very excited to try this. And I love the fact that it is in the summer box because in the summertime, my feet get dry also. Ugh, whenever I go to the nail salon, they take this little like, the thing that like grinds your nails, and they like grind all the callus off my feet, and I am absolutely disgusted. I am very excited for this in my box this season. It is called the Giving Key. The first time I ever heard of the Giving Key is actually from, or was actually from my best friend Brooke, who I've grown up my whole life. We met each other when we were like 10 or 11, and I remember a few years ago she gave me a Giving Key, and on it it said inspire. So the whole concept of the Giving Key is this, they have these words on the actual key. Mine was a little bit bigger than this one. I believe this is a miniature. Yeah, it's the mini collection, which also I think is really cute. Mine was as big as a regular key, and mine said the word inspire on it. And Brooke gave that to me on my birthday about 3 years ago. And the concept of the giving key is you're supposed to hold on to this key, and when you meet somebody that you feel like needs your key that has the right word on it, you give it to them. So the concept is kind of goes down the lane and passes from one person to another. I still have my key. I haven't given mine away. Mine says inspire on it, and this one says believe. I didn't know that they came out with a mini collection. I think the mini collection is so cute because sometimes you don't want to wear like a really big key. So it's good to have like a little mini collection one. I'm really into this. I can really see myself wearing this. So the next thing we have here is this roll-on fragrance oil, and I'm very excited for this one. This is great to pop into your purse if you want to take up a lot of room. Also, sometimes sprays. You don't want to be spraying yourself in public. A lot of roll-ons are really amazing because you can kind of just roll it on. I always roll it on right here, rub it together, and then dab it behind my ears. Those are the places where the smell is really going to stick on and stay on forever. I love the smell. The smell reminds me of this hotel that Carlos and I go to in Newport Beach. It's called the Island Hotel, and when you walk into their lobby, it smells identical to this. And I always remember every time I walk into the lobby, I'm like, oh my God, it smells so good here. So when I opened this up and smelled it, I was like, this smells very, very, very familiar. But I love this because, you know, in the summertime, sometimes we stink and we can't help it. It's hot outside, especially in Southern California, you guys. The heat, the hot, the sun. You will not find me outside a lot in the summertime. You will find me chilling in the AC. The heat and the sun get me really cranky. But if I do have to leave the house, I am a sweater. I sweat a lot. So if you want to stay fresh, definitely would carry this in your bag, just a little rub here and there, and you're good to go. I have never had something like this, so when I saw that this was in the box, I was like, oh my God, technology, that is cute. I love when technology is like sleek, you know, but when technology is cute, that's everything. This is a wireless charging pad. I have been wanting one of these because, well, I do social media, so my phone is always dying, and halfway through the day it's always dead. And I just love how sleek this is. You don't have to plug anything in, you just kind of put your phone on it and it charges. And I love that it's cute, so I'll have it out displaying on my nightstand. But I've been wanting this for a very long time, and I was gonna actually buy the Apple one. Since I have the iPhone, I was just gonna go and buy the Apple one, but I didn't want to spend all of that money. So I'm very, very glad that I got this in the box. It looks like this. It's absolutely adorable. How cute is this? It has like a little print. Oh my God, I'm like totally matching some of the products today. It has this little print. You have also a cord here. So you kind of just plug it in, and then you lay your phone on top like this, which is really cool. And I really think this is also going to help me. I have this habit of plugging my phone in to charge and also using it at the same time, which I heard is really bad for your actual phone battery life. So I think this is really gonna help me with my habit where, hey, if I'm using it, then it's not plugged in, and when I want it to charge, I'll lay it on top here. Also, something else that I wanted to mention is I've noticed I got this in my last box as well. I got this coupon thing. So this was in the box. This is for a food service company. And then it also comes with this magazine. And in this magazine, oh, hey, Gabby. Oh my gosh, she looks beautiful. And in this magazine, you guys are going to find not only all the items, but really beautiful articles that I highly suggest you guys read. Like, here's the cooler. It tells you what the name is, and it tells you the price. Ooh, that cooler was $59. Oh my God, but the box with the discount code is $39.99. You get very empowering articles that I would really suggest you guys read, but I love it because it kind of breaks down everything for you guys. So I definitely would keep this, read it. If you have any questions, you probably can find it in here. Friends, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys love this video as much as I do. So check the links down below. Again, you get the $10 off your first box. It does ship to the US, UK, and Canada. So check them out, you guys. If this is the summer box, I can only imagine the fall box. I am such a fall person. I love warm colors. I love the cozy vibes. Fall is also my birthday. It lands in October, and then October is also Halloween, and I just love, love, love fall. So I'm so excited. Like, this is how amazing the summer box is. I can only imagine. Like, I thought the winter box that I got last time was good, and then this is good, so I think the fall box is gonna be amazing. But make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know if you tried any of the products. Let me know if you have also tried FabFitFun. I would love to hear from you guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, my loves.